Please leave your message for...
Mom, if you're hearing this, I'm scared. The house is destroyed and I just saw a man get eaten by some seals. I also heard of some alligators around. I'm scared. Please tell me you're okay. I'm reporting live after we have helped rescue these people. So, Ms. Barth, how do you feel? Do you think you were lucky that we found you on time? Also, what'd you do to help you stay calm during the whole disaster? Was your house destroyed at all? Hey, thank you for rescuing me. Honestly, it was the worst experience ever. I was scared. I hid in the closet to avoid the wind. Windows were breaking. My house was actually really seriously destroyed. The only thing I did to stay calm was pray. I found a Bible and I read. I was scared. I was just praying to God, hoping that I would survive. I really thought I was going to die, especially after I witnessed that man being eaten like he was a snack to the seals. These floods were no joke. I would never wish this on anyone. Thank you.